Hey guys, Sakitech from Sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be talking about a brand new update for the Samsung Notes application for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. The latest update adds 3 new features to the Samsung Notes application. So let's launch the application. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get the update and go over every single feature one by one. So in your Samsung Notes application, what you want to do is you want to tap on the menu button right here, and then tap on the settings, and then go all the way at the bottom. And also you might see it on the top here as well. It says a new version is available. You can update right from here. But if you don't see this, go down, go to About Samsung Notes, and you are going to see my old version is 4.4.38.5. It says a new version is available, and you can update right from here. Now, before I tap on the update, I do want to tap on the I. That brings me to App Info. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to App Details in the store to inspect each update one by one and then demonstrate what it is. So here it is. We have 3 new updates. It says what's new right here. Number 1, it says add match style when pasting option under the app settings. Number 2, add group by date option in the note list sorting menu. And number 3, it says add import PDF option. And then tap on update right there. It's going to take a couple seconds. It is 151 megabytes in size, so it is installing right now. So what I'm going to do, as soon as the installation is complete, I am going to go ahead and close all windows. I'm going to go back to Notes, okay? This is going to be the new version. So now, immediately you can see we have that brand new PDF button. So if you want to import a PDF file, you can now do it quickly and easily by tapping this button, and then it goes into your files from where you can pick a PDF file of your choosing. And that's going to open up in the Notes application, okay? Number 2, you can press and hold the new Notes icon, and that's going to give you the option to either choose the note style or also import the PDF. Tap, and it brings up that same menu as when you tap this button. So that's number 1, okay? Number 2 is if I tap over here and tap on Sort, at the bottom you have this brand new option that allows you to group by date. So you can now group all your notes by date. So you can enable or disable this option right from here based on your needs, okay? That's number 2. Number 3, if I tap over here and go to my settings, and if I go to advanced settings, at the bottom right here, we now have this brand new option that says match style when pasting. So when you paste a text, that will match the style of the text around where you paste it. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, this option is not working. There is a bug. So when I enable this, okay, and when I go to my notes right here, here's just a note that has a specific formatting, and here's a different format. What is supposed to happen is when I copy and paste anything from anywhere that has a different format than this note, and if I come here and I insert that here, maybe just want to paste it in here, it is supposed to match the style as exactly seen here. But it's not going to happen, as you can see right now, okay? So it took the style from here and put it right there. What was supposed to happen was, as I pasted this here, it was supposed to look just like the rest of it, what's around it. Same thing, if I paste something from the outside and bring it to the inside note, it is supposed to match my existing style around where I'm posting. But it is not working right now. I believe that is a bug, and most likely it is going to be fixed in the next iteration of the updates, hopefully if Samsung sees it, okay? So again, that's over here, settings, advanced, and that's the match style when pasting. When it works, this is an amazing function because it just reduces overhead work. You just copy and paste and everything matches up. Right now, it doesn't match up, so you have to do some manual work, which is a time waster. But at least it indicates that this feature is coming very soon. It is here now. The bug needs to be fixed, okay? So that's the 3 new features that we have on the Samsung Notes application. Any questions, comments, or concerns, do drop it down below and let me know. Guys, for now, Have a fantastic day.